NASA's OSIRIS-REx lands samples of asteroid Bennu to Earth after historic 4-billion-mile journey. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft successfully landed a capsule containing samples of asteroid Bennu on Earth on September 24, 2023, after a historic 4-billion-mile journey. The capsule touched down in the Utah desert, where it was recovered by NASA and Air Force teams. This is the first time that NASA has ever returned samples from an asteroid, and the largest amount of material ever brought back from a space rock. The samples are expected to provide scientists with valuable insights into the formation and evolution of asteroids, as well as the potential for asteroids to pose a threat to Earth. The OSIRIS-REx mission launched in 2016 and arrived at Bennu in 2018. It spent 2 years studying the asteroid and mapping its surface. In 2020, the spacecraft successfully touched down on Bennu and collected a sample of material. The OSIRIS-REx spacecraft will now be retired, but its legacy will live on in the Bennu samples. Scientists will be studying these samples for years to come, and they are expected to reveal new insights into our solar system and the origins of life. This is a major achievement for NASA and the space exploration community, and it is a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of our scientists and engineers.